So let's take a look at creating a section starting template for our training manuals. I'm going to go back to my training folder here. I'm going to create a new topic. Make this object an object template. And I'm going to call this my module template and hit apply. Alright, so the next thing I'll do is go through each one of my tabs and set the properties here. Heading I will leave blank because I want my authors to decide. Style I will keep as auto. I would like a super heading to display, and I want the numbering scheme to be ABC. Alright. I do want this to be a section starting template, so I want to insert a section break, which requires a media object. Note here, page break does not require a media object. This field is grayed out. You want to insert a section break and associate it with a media object. For now, I'm going to reuse the chapter section and hit OK. Alright. And then move on to each one of my tabs. We'll go over to the Web tab, select Start New Page. Alright, now when I do that, I must associate it with a media object as well. I'll select Chapter Section and hit OK. And let's go ahead and save that now. Alright, so I've entered in properties for my module template. Now let's go ahead and check my work. Let's go to my test book and let's start using that template. Alright, let's create some module topics after my table of contents. So if I go to my new topic, oops, I want to base it on module. Would be helpful if I actually selected the template. Now let's call this Introduction and hit Save. Alright, and let's go ahead and create a new topic. Let's base this one on just a non-section starting topic, and I'll put that at a level 2. Let's call it About This Guide. Save that. I'm just basically creating a topic outline because all I want to do is now publish this test book and make sure that my super headings are correct, my section breaks are correct, and I've basically set up my templates correctly. This one I'll base on the module template, and let's go ahead and call this the teleportation concepts module. Let's save that. Let's create a new topic at level 2. What is teleportation? Alright, so last step, let's go ahead now and publish. Alright, now you see how everything's grayed out? Now I hope you remember why those are grayed out. We did not associate our template with a publishing profile. Alright, so this is what you're going to see here. So let's go ahead, let's close this book. Yes, I want to save changes. Set up the publishing profile. So which one of these publishing profiles should I use to publish my training manual? Let's go ahead and select Word document. Applies to tab. Let's click Add here. Search on the text. Training manual. There it is. Click OK. Alright, so now I can go back and let's do a test publication. Okay. Test publishing will always keep you honest. So as you are designing new templates, always do a test publication. Always create some test objects to test your work. You never want to wait until authors are using your content to discover any issues with your template. Alright, so here's my title page. And let's take a look at my modules here. Here's Module A. Looks good. Module B. And our index. Alright, so we've got our basic structure set up for our training manual, books, and topics.